Hello everyone, welcome to Talent Master Talent Tutorial Series. In today's video, we are going to learn tJavaFlex component. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you like my videos, then please share with your friends as well. Let's start the video. So why do we use tJavaFlex component? Let's understand the concept by a job. So in order to create a job, I would require one t row generator component, T Java Flex component, and one T log row component, and T Java. So I'll need these four component to demonstrate the usage of T Java Flex component. Let's configure each component one by one. Here I will need three columns: first name, last name, city. I'll use first name function for extracting the first name, last name function for extracting the last name, and city get us city function for city. I'll just need 10 records. Now let's connect t row generator to tJavaFlex and to tlog row. For time being, I'm disabling this tjava component. I'll go to edit schema. There is no column. Okay, let me sync all the columns. Okay, we have three input and three output columns in the tJavaFlex. Let's first run this job and see what data is coming. Okay, so in the output we are getting first name, last name, and city. Now using tJavaFlex component, I want to do some transformation. So what transformation I'm going to do? I'm going to concatenate first name and last name column and populate these two column as a full name. And at the end of the job, I want to concatenate all the records which are coming in the city column, just like SQL list aggregate function. So let's see how we can do this. Let's configure tJavaFlex component. Here we have three sections where we can write the Java code: start code, main code, and end code section. In start code section, we can write that code which we want to execute before executing the main code, and the main code is applied to each and every input row. The end code section gets executed after the last input record is passed from the tJavaFlex component. Let's start writing the code. So I don't need this first name and last name now. I'll just need full name column, which will be concatenation of first name and last name input. Full name, city will remain. tJavaFlex component does not support input row and output row. So we have to write row 1 for input column and row 2 for output column. Row 2 dot full name equal to row 1 dot f name plus, I want to separate this with empty string, and row 1 dot l name. Now let's run this code. Okay, good. As you can see, we are getting full name column which is having first name and last name. We have successfully written our code for full name. Now we want to concatenate the cities also. Let's see how we can do. So first of all, we have to declare one variable in the start code section, and we are going to assign a empty string. Now I want this string value to be concatenated with each input row. Okay. So here a string str equal to str plus row1 dot city. This means string will gets accumulated every with every record passing from tJavaFlex component. And toward the end of the execution, I want to store the value of string in a global map variable. Let's name it as result. So this is how we can store value in a global variable, and we are going to print this value of global variable in the tjava component towards the end of the job. Let's enable first and then connect it using t component on component. Okay, we are done with the coding. Let's run the job. There is some error. Let's fix it. Instead of put, it should be get. Now let's run the job. As you can see, towards the end of the job, we are getting all the cities are concatenated and separated by this comma. This was about tJavaFlex component. If you have any issues with this component, you can post your questions in the comment section. Thank you.